Disclaimer: this video does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided in this video is meant for educational purpose only.
Well then, it's hacking time.
In this video, I'll share some of the must-known hacking tools you'll ever need in your journey to become a pro hacker. With these tools, you'll have a powerful hacking toolkit ready to go whenever it's needed.
I'm gonna have to go into hardcore hacking mode.
In the world of hacking, there are several types of hackers commonly identified by different hacks, each representing their intent and approach. White hat hackers, also known as ethical hackers. These individuals work to improve security by identifying vulnerabilities and helping organizations fix them. They operate with the law and play a crucial role in protecting systems and networks. Black hat hackers. These hackers have malicious intent. They exploit vulnerabilities to steal data, cause harm, or disrupt systems, often for personal gain. The actions are illegal and unethical. Grey hat hackers. Falling between white hat and black hat, grey hat hackers may exploit vulnerabilities without permission but do not necessarily have malicious intent. They often expose security flaws to gain recognition or encourage fixes.
Let the hacking begin.
Black hat hacking is highly discouraged and can result in serious legal consequences. I'll cover hacking tools for all kinds of tasks, and after watching this video, you'll know the best tools for everything from network scanning, vulnerability scanning, password cracking, and more. Without much wait, let's get started.
Hack the planet! Hack the planet!
First, we have Nmap. Nmap is a free and open source network scanner tool. It supports various scan types and protocols including TCP, UDP, SYNC, and more. Next, we have NCAT, which is a versatile, free, and open source network utility tool. It can be used for tasks such as port scanning, file transfer, and remote command execution. Nessus is a paid vulnerability scanner for network analysis. It helps identify security vulnerabilities with comprehensive network scans, providing users with detailed reports. Next, we have OpenVAS. OpenVAS is a free and open source vulnerability scanner capable of performing comprehensive security assessments and performance tuning. Next, we have John the Ripper, which is a free and open source password cracker tool for auditing and recovery. It supports hundreds of hash and cipher types, including Unix, Windows, macOS, WordPress, database servers, file systems, and archives. Next, we have Hashcat, which is a free and open source advanced password recovery tool that calls itself the world's fastest password cracker. It offers advanced features such as distributed cracking networks. Next, we have AirCrackNG, which is a free and open source suite for Wi-Fi network security tools that includes utilities for monitoring, packet capture, attacking, testing, and cracking Wi-Fi passwords. Next, we have Hydra, which is a free and open source parallelized network login cracker tool and can crack dozens of protocols including Cisco, HTTPS, ICQ, IMAP, MySQL, SMTP, Oracle, and more. Next, we have THC Hydra, which is another free and open source proof of concept password tracker tool available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and supporting protocols like FTP, SMTP, and HTTP. Next, we have Medusa, which is a free and open source massively parallel password cracking tool that can perform brute force password testing against multiple hosts or users simultaneously. Next, we have Metasploit, which is a penetration testing framework available in free and paid versions. It is a Ruby-based modular tool that comes pre-installed on the Kali Linux distribution. Next, we have Burpsuite, which is a paid web application security testing tool that offers both automated dynamic web scanning and tools to enhance manual vulnerability testing. Next, we have Beef, which is browser exploitation framework, which is a free and open source browser exploitation penetration testing tool that can integrate with Metasploit and use attack vectors to target different web browsers and contexts. Next, we have SQL Map. It's a free and open source SQL injection vulnerability testing tool that allows users to fetch data from a SQL database, accessing the underlying file system and run operating systems commands. Next, we have ZAP, Z Attack Proxy, which is another free and open source web application security scanner and testing tool that automates web security tests and offer an extensive library of community add-ons. Next, we have Wireshark, which is a free and open source network protocol analyzer and packet capture tool that allows users to inspect hundreds of protocols and dozens of file formats. Next, we have TCP dump, which is a free and open source command line network packet analyzer and lets users specify particular filters to search for packets matching a description. Next, we have Maltego, which is a powerful link analysis tool with both free and paid versions. It integrates with dozens of data sources and offers capabilities for in-depth investigations.
We need a plan of attack!
I have a plan. Attack.
This comprehensive list equips ethical hackers with the necessary tools to perform their work effectively and responsibly. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful and interested in more curious topics like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as it would really mean a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.